guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. May 31, last trading day for the month of May. No? So we're almost done with the first half of this year. How's your portfolio? No? So if you're struggling to make money in this kind of market, rest assured na you're not alone. So this is also the reason why we're here to help you make money in this market. Uh, So everyone is a genius during bull market, but time to separate the boys from the men. So yun nga, no, patience lang. Uh, Anyway, MSCI. No? Today is also the rebalancing day, which is also the reason why volume ballooned to 24.2 billion pesos. No? So our market dropped 33.31 points or down 0.51% to close at 6,477.36. No? There's a lot of opportunities in the market right now. Ang daming very attractive companies at a good number. SECB, Monde, you just trade this. The problem there is really the company. After that MSCI, there will be some outflows pa. No? So some technical bounce, maybe, but I don't see it going back to 16 pesos or even it's kahit 10, medyo alangan ako dyan. Let's see. No? So anyway, Ali, SM Prime were also sold down. AC rin. No? So the problem with the market dati, no, when there's an MSCI rebalancing, when there's a downgrade, no, investors or at least traders try to buy on close tapos sell the companies or the stocks the following week. Right now, some fund managers umaga pa lang they started rebalancing with their portfolio, no? So dapat MOC yan, no, sa closing pa talaga rebalancing, but they have the freedom to rebalance few days ahead and few days after, no? Yun yung problem there, no? At least uh, to efficiently uh, the right term is really to get that to be efficient, no? Bakit kasi if you compete you only started selling Monde today, no? Kasi ayun yung outflow. They started selling when it broke that 11 pesos, a few days pa lang, no? Even Ali was downgraded, no? It started rebalancing like a few weeks before. Sabi ko nga, that unwarranted sell-off, they already started selling there, no? So it's not a rocket science how to anticipate anong matatanggal or what will be the addition sa MSCI, no? It's basically purely based on volume and market cap, no? So there's no science na you need to earn this much, walang ganon, no? So talagang emotionless trading ang MSCI. If MSCI, you remove from the MSCI, expect outflows, no? So those are the opportunities we're looking for the market. Some notable trades I made before when a stock is removed from MSCI, no, is about its power. About its power dropped to as low as 24 pesos before when it was removed from MSCI. No? Of course, we all know naman about its power went to as high as 37, 38 pesos right now. No? Fast recovery yan. No? So of course, we bought some stocks related to the MSCI rebalancing. No? Ali, SM Prime, and SECB. No? Good numbers. Let's see. No? Of course, Vulcan surged this afternoon. No? So we made money. Like what I said yesterday, I'll start selling my Vulcan. Of course, it will take some time for Vulcan to be East Coast Vulcan. No? Of course, the first step is really to change the name. But the transfer of assets will take some time. No? So, si Espineka, di ba, Nueva Ecija, SP New Energy. Hanggang ngayon, di pa napapasok si Espinec, no? But Vulcan already got their approval, SEC approval, so it's a matter of when na lang. No? But we made money, so who cares? No? Vulcan was generally weak this morning. Ngayong hapon, tinira na. But anyway, it's now trading at 120, 121. We got this near par value, which is okay lang naman. No? We made money. CPG, no, also acquired the 40% stake of Mitsubishi in their project, joint venture project, no, yung First Park Homes, FYI lang. No? Abacor also made some clarification that they denied allegations of price manipulation and corporate governance. No? So, whatever they never denied discounted shares. No? So of course, the problem with us, no, patay mali siya tayo. We know naman it's happening elsewhere also, no. Some stocks being transferred from one owner to another, no, just making volume. No? And these are not cross transactions lang, no. Ang dami rin dyan. This is also the reason sabi ko, don't be the last person holding the bag, no. Remember, when we first discussed ABA before, sabi ko, alanganin. Just look at the players behind, no. Uh, when buying a company, you also know the players behind. You should also know the management. You don't just buy a stock because, uh, um, di ba? That's how you make due diligence. No? Kaya nga sabi nila, if you think Ani will go to 10 pesos, uh, and you're confident that Ani will go to 10 pesos, then you should borrow money sa bank and buy Ani because Ani will fly to 10 pesos. No? Ganun ang conviction. No? So, but sabi ko, you also need to check the track record, the management behind. Ano ba yung projects nila? No? Same with ABA rin naman. No? And other companies. AC confirms its plan to raise $1 billion or 50 billion pesos from the sale of non-core assets. No? So they're slowly diversifying. No? They started selling their toll road business. They also have some toll road, yung Muntinlupa, no? To Villar Group. And right now they're looking to sell their stake in LRT, no? Light Railway Manila. No? So they got that project during the time of Pinoy. Of course, it's not their core business rin. So, but right now, at least they're in good terms with BBM. No? AEV will be issuing around 17.45 billion in fixed rate retail bonds. No? FYI also. No? So, sabi nga ni PSP that inflation should cool down to around 5.8 to 6.6 percent this May. No? So, it looks like inflation has already peaked. No? So, we need to factor in some uh, rate cuts by half of this year. No? So which sectors will benefit? No? So ganun mag-anticipate. No? So you don't buy a stock kasi ang ganda ng earnings niya. No? That's after the fact na. No? One example is SSI. It surges. No? Ang ganda ng revenues nila, no? Or balance sheet nila or financial statement nila last year. But that's already after the fact. You buy when the market reopened, the economy reopened. So right now, banks should take a pause, no? So as BSP looks to cut interest rates by as early as fourth quarter this year or next year. Petron, talagang pump and dump, no? MPI, no, dropped today, 4.35. We were able to sell all my shares at a hefty profit. Nakilang round na ako dito, no? Remember, we first started buying MPI on 350, 360. Corners were sellers that time. I'm the only one buying this stock. Right now, people keep on making comments that MPI should do a tender offer so they could raise funds. I agree, no? So, they can also do an IPO for their subsidiaries, Metro Pacific Toll Road, Metro Pacific Hospitals, and other subsidiaries. No? So, if the logic there is really to raise funds, then GT Cap uh, should also be tendered. Ayala should also be tendered. All the stock should be tendered na lang, no? Because they're undervalued. No? Doesn't make sense, no? So ako naman, we buy because it will go up. Yun lang naman yun. I don't care. We don't want to mingle na with MVP na they should increase the tender offer because the minority shareholders are angry. Sabi nga niya, no? If the market thinks that MPI should be trading at 7 pesos, then it should be trading at 7 pesos for the past 10 years. Why is it trading at 3 pesos and 50 centavos last January when we first started buying? No? Oh, it makes sense naman. No? Kaya nga premium yung tender offer niya. Ako naman, of course, we sold na. We didn't wait for that 4 pesos and 63 centavos. A lot of factors should be considered also, no? So that will be tackled in the annual stockholders meeting this June. So I don't know if this drop in MPIs is a opportunity to accumulate or just a one-time sell-off, no? But if ever MPI goes back to around 4 pesos, then good. good for us. No? So Meralco expects a significant boost in their net income this year on the back of its power generation business. No? So AGI will be acquiring the shares of Star Cruises. No? So Resorts World was delisted. No? So yung partner nila si Kenting no, was also delisted in Hong Kong. No? So yun. Anyway, what else? No? So our passcode for today is MSCI rebalancing. No? So wala naman nangyari sa market today. AUP, stock dividend, cash dividend for BDO. So yun. Bonnie 24, Arcel Resho, Georgia, WM, Jennifer, H, Young Pashanks, JDN, Limitless Mark, Oliver Wendelgo, ERC, John Edison Aquino, Rudy Salvatierra, Jerwaan, Jason Chan, and Ray Toledo. Again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye.